Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the man cave. New scene, new background, new backdrop. Today we're going to be talking about the stock. I'm going to be updating you about the stock market, about my moves, how I'm winning. Today it's been a crazy day, y'all. I remember last time when we checked in, I was looking at Inseego. I believe I sold Inseego last, I don't know if you guys know that I sold Inseego last week, but I'm about to take you guys through the moves, how I sold Inseego last week, and what I've done today. Man, it's been a crazy day. It seemed like everybody was up today, and then towards the end of the day, it kind of got hectic. So I'm about to take you through all the moves I made today and how we're up today. Pretty much we're up about $5 today. So I'm about to show you how. Stay tuned. Alright, so now that we're relaxed in here, got my good drink, toast. Now let's talk about these stocks. Alright, so the last time we checked in, I remember telling you that I had purchased Inseego for $11.42. That week it was on a trend on the way back up to see if it was going to make it back up to $11.42. So it did go back to $11.42. I was able to sell it for, let's see how much I sold it for. Okay, I was able to sell my shares, 6 shares at $11.60. That happened on June 29th. So I believe that was the next day after I released that video. It did surpass $11.42 and go up to $11.60. I was able to make that sale. Now, ever since then, okay, so ever since June 29th, when I sold the 6 shares for $11.60, I've pretty much been watching the stocks, watching the numbers. I haven't had any money tied up into it. June 29th, it got up to $11.66, $11.60, June 30th, $11.49, $11.37, July 6th, $11.43. Not quite at a comfortable place where I feel like putting a lot of money into. July 7th now, it got down to $11.02. I believe I made a purchase on that day. Let's see, when did I buy my next set? July 9th, I purchased 6 shares at I caught it at $11.06. Alright, so July 9th, I was able to buy 6 shares at $11.06. I received 2 free shares, so shout out to people using the link, signing up to get their free stock, because I also received the free stock. I held the free stock for a few days. I was able to sell Sabre. I was able to sell that for $7.71. I was able to sell Next Tier for $2.25. So to kind of take you through my thought process of leading up to the purchase of the stocks at $11.06. That week leading up to that, I had realized it was coming down. Inseego was coming down from, let's see, what was it before then? $11.76, $11.60, $11.49. It had came down from the point where I had purchased previously, remember $11.42, and I sold at $11.60. It was coming down from then, $11.37, $11.43. July 7th, 2 days before, it went down to $11.02. And it started teetering and tottering. July 8th, it went up to $11.24. I started watching it more closely. $11.30, $11.36, $11.38, $11.40, $11.39, $11.24, $11.20, $11.18, $11.17. I started noticing it was coming down. I was figuring, $11.03. This whole time I'm still thinking that Inseego is going to go back up. This is a pretty good place to catch Inseego if you think it's going to go back up. Even if you just think it's going to go back up to $11.42 or $11.60, $11.0 something, the low 11s would be a great place to, get some profit. So I decided to jump in at $11.06. I kind of got worried for a moment because later that day it went down to $10.72, $11 or $10.94. It went down. But just this morning I wake up, and just waking up is a blessing. But not only did I wake up, I woke up to this morning Inseego was at $11.96. I had previously bought it at $11.06. So I had no choice but to sell it right then. I sold all 6 shares for $11.06, or I sold all 6 shares for $11.96. Now, I was worried because I felt like Inseego was going to go back up. I didn't want to miss that. I didn't want to miss out on it. So what I did, I purchased more Inseego. I saw that Inseego was continuously going back up. I bought 6 more shares at $12.10. So it was around 10 o'clock this morning where I check it pretty much right before I go to work. So 10 o'clock, I checked it. It's at $11.96. I decided to, boom, gotta sell that. It went to $12, $12.07, gets to $12.07. I'm thinking it's gonna go up. It might go back up to like $15 because previously I've seen Inseego go up to $15. It was on a surge, and when Inseego moves, it moves. So I was like, I'm gonna catch this train. So I bought it at $12.10. After that, it continuously rose, $12.34, $12.30. At this point, I'm thinking I'm in the game. Even if it starts going back, and that whole time I was watching it, and it was going from $12.30, $12.24, $12.17, $12.12. Like that whole time I was thinking, all right, as long as I'm not taking a loss, I'm good. I'm going to stay with it. So it kept going up $12.60. It got up to $12.60 at $10.30, $12.51, $10.35, $12.32, $12.41, $12.30, $12.36, $12.54. This whole time I'm thinking I'm good. I'm going to keep my money into it. It's going to go up. 13, 14, 15, 16, who knows? Who knows how high it's gonna go up, but as long as I'm not taking a loss, I'm not taking my money out. $12.79, $12.82 at $11.45. At this point, I'm thinking I should not be too greedy. I don't wanna be such like, this is why I love the stock market, because you have to think how much of a like what risk am I going to take? At what point am I going to sell? Because I know it's going to go up and it's going to go down. At what point is it going to go on a steep decline, or how high is it going to go? That's the part that really intrigues me. I ended up selling it today. All right, so $12.82, $12.76, $12.79, $12.60. I eventually sold all my shares at $12.45. I sold my shares at $12.45. After buying them at $12.10. So I bought at $12.10, I sold at $12.45. So that was good, as profit, hey. And then throughout the rest of the day, it went, let's see, $12.49, $12.60, $12.66, $12.69, $12.30, $12.23, $12.11 at 2:30 p.m., $12.19. It started going down, it started going back down. $12.19. So right now I'm pretty much waiting for it to go back down. Let's see, at $3.35 it was at $11.82. Inseego closed at $11.73. And right now currently at $5.40 it's at $11.90. I would purchase Inseego at $11.90 right now. Well, would I? Well, it doesn't matter because I can't anyway, because after that I made more moves. I totally bought into other stocks. Right now, I currently have 5 stocks of Marathon Oil. I was thinking it was a good day for everybody, but Marathon Oil seemed to be down today. I purchased 5 shares at $5.16. Right now, Marathon's at $5.14, so I'm not doing too bad. Let's see, I'm down 9 cents. Not too bad. I feel like Marathon Oil is going to go back up because gas prices are eventually going to go back up. Whether it be within a week, 2 weeks. I know if Marathon Oil is going to go back up, so I'm not too worried about that one. Plug Power, that's a stock I don't really know too much about, but I got a notification from RobinHood. It said Plug Power was down today, so I figured if everybody else was up and Plug Power is down, and I looked into what they usually sell around. They usually sell around $9.50. I looked last week, $9.30, $9.20, $9.40, $9.40 a month ago. That's what was interesting about Plug Power. Plug Power seemed like a stock that was on its way up. I looked last year, Plug Power was selling at $2.50, $3. This is in February. February, $4.36. March, $3.42. April, $4.12. May, $4. May 28th, $4.28. June, $5.66. June 12th, $5.06. June 18th, $5.39. June 24th, $7.57. June 30th, $8.21. June 6th, $9.98. So I'm thinking, yo, Plug Power, they have something going on right now, so let me buy into it since they're down right now. So they were down to $8.99, so I bought 5 shares at $8.99. Just thinking that, you know, within the past couple days, past week, past couple weeks, they've been selling around $9, 9 something. 905, 9, like I was saying, let's see, 959, 932, 940, 918. Any of those numbers, if I sell any of that at 9 something, I will feel happy. I bought 5 shares, $8.99. Market value, $42.50. Right now they're selling at, I'm currently losing right now at Plug Power. Plug Power is down to $8.50. I don't really like that. If I were to sell Plug Power right now, I would lose $2.44. I don't like that. Like I said, Marathon Oil, I purchased it, 5 shares, $5.16. It's selling right now $5.14. If I was to sell now, I would lose 9 cents. I don't really like that, but if I had to do it, I'd do it. I really want to buy Inseego right now, but it seems, let's see, my buying power is $28.94. So right now I would only be able to purchase 2 shares. Yep, I'd only be able to purchase 2 full shares. I'd be able to do a partial purchase, a limited buy. My next strategy going forward, right now I'm in bed with Marathon Oil and Plug Power, so I have to stay with these stocks until they turn a profit. It seems like Marathon Oil is going to pull a profit more quickly than Plug Power. Plug Power, hopefully tomorrow they have a good day. As soon as they break the $8.99 point, I'm selling. It might be 9 even, 901, 902, 903. But I'm gonna watch it closely. Let's see, right now it says Plug Power is up to 852 after hours trading. I just got a notification. That's not good enough for me. They have to surpass $8.99 for me to be happy. Hopefully they do that fairly quickly while Inseego is still down. And right now Inseego is down to $11.97. I would take that, $11.97, because it seems like Inseego is on its way on a major push back up. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys are winning at your stock market games. What stocks are you guys watching closely? Let's share the knowledge. Knowledge is power, sharing is caring. I'll catch you next time. Bye.